corn right there. Yeah, it's about ready to be cut. Break it in half. Look at that. Ooh, look how thick it is.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause
Hey, how y'all doing? Dexter doitall. Oh, and I got work to do today. But this right here gonna be hard to get up. Oh, I'm bad. I'm tripping. I'm doing it wrong. I gotta, what I gotta do. Come closer. Let me show you what I gotta do. You got animites here, and you got some grease points at the back also. So I gotta get all this. I gotta get the pressure washer. Show them the pressure washer right there. I got a little small little pressure washer right there, but I'm gonna use that to get some of this corn dust and stuff off of. Even though we did it last year, but overseeing over the year, it get pretty dirty still. So let's get started.
Up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Gas, isn't it? Boy, that ain't it. What's going on here? Well, today I got pressure wash. I got some of that one I gotta clean up too, but combine already been cleaned up for the year when we put it up. But we got this header here. I want to clean it up and stuff like that because whew, this stuff here working. Or country living. See, this country living right here, man. That's all I do at work. Wake up in the morning, I work. Go to sleep, work. Hey now, he just got off work. I'm going to work. Y'all ought to do a Dexter Davis a favor, man. Please, y'all please do me a favor. Y'all find a pressure washer or something, man, because this one right here ain't gonna cut it. This one here done had it. I think I done worked all the water out of it, or the oil or something. They don't want to do right today.
There you go.
Got a lot of work. You just want to sit there and look at it.
There he is, right there.
Hey, tell Dad to bring that truck over here with the after truck. I didn't get that grease gun off there. I got to start greasing.
You videoing.
Alright.
There you go.
The camera rolling?
Yeah. Action.
Action. Yeah.
What happened to the water condenser?
I don't know. I can't get this thing clean. Water condenser, that's a pressure water.
That's a condenser.
Man, guess what, man? Woo, I got a lot of work to do. Got wet. Look at that water still coming out of there. Tastes good. Tastes good. Country living, man. Country living. Alright, so. Yeah, so I gotta get all down these cracks and crevices like this. Get it like a little dirty mud out of it, you know. We had already cleaned it up last year a little bit, you know. We didn't clean up too much, but just get most of this stuff done out of there. Or get most of this stuff out of there. Get most of it done, you know. Get ready for harvest. So it looks like we'll be ready about 2 weeks. And after that, after we cut that corn, we got our beans probably like 3 weeks behind that. So we're gonna be pretty busy. Go ahead and get this right here ready. That's something, you want to keep a combine clean, man, you know. Look at it. It's clean already, you know. You know it needs a paint job or whatever like that, but man, you just want to go to the field clean, but you be scared to turn that head on, but you gotta turn it on. And when you get going, you don't want to stop. That's how I be feeling. That's how I be feeling. I don't know about everybody else. But I can't wait to see that thing come on, and then you know you have good days, you have bad days, and but look at it, who phone? It's mine. God dog it. In case I will. All that, I got all that stuff up there, get all that clean and stuff. He had a guy, Eddie Thompson out of, he had a late problem. He came down, he had cleaned it up for us. But you know, by sitting in that sun, it just, you know, it still getting a little residue back on it, so just spraying off just to make it look good, that's all. Yeah, then I met a good guy, man, you know what I'm saying? He out of Memphis, Tennessee. His name is Herbert Jr., you know what I'm saying? He came through Tallulah, he said, man, I'm coming through Tallulah, I'll stop by and want to talk to you. And he stopped by, he talked to me, his name is Herbert Jr., out of Memphis, Tennessee. He's good old dude, he got good character. Yeah, then you got a guy out of Memphis, another guy out of Tennessee, Dion Wade, boy, that guy there, man, he blowing up. Dion Wade, man. See, he out there, he playing with his machine already out there in the field. Well, he was cutting wheat. He already had fun, but he finna have some more fun because he finna get ready to start cutting some soybeans. So he got it going on right now. He already had it. He done made some money and spent a little money, so he already had his fun. Now ain't about time for us to have our fun in about 2 weeks. Woo. Then my shoulder already messed up too. Man. But that's how you open that thing up. Check this out, y'all. Check this out. Y'all see these boots right here? Just bought them. And look what it is. Just bought them. I'm talking about when I say just bought them, I just bought them. You gotta have something to work in. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do up here, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this radiator out and clean this diesel tank off and let's do a little cleanup. That's all. So last year, man, we turned that grain cleaner, man, we turned that on, and we had a coon up in there. Man, talking about broke the chain, and we had to go in there and fix the chain. Matter of fact, we had to buy a whole brand new chain. So this year, we gonna make sure we running real good before we even turn it on. Try to scare everything out the way. We ain't scared of no rats. We ain't worried about the rats, but we worried about the coon. That's what we worried about. Well, y'all, I'm a little bit lazy right now. Look what I got. Look what I got. I guess I still got grease in it. So I probably got to push that out of there. But I can grease the combine quick now, boy. Now I'm talking about quick now. I just get the buzz on, man. It's so greasy. I ain't the type of person like to rub grease over and say I did something. I ain't that type of person. All night. Y'all see that? I ain't gotta do no. I ain't gotta do that. No. Come on, let's get a little close to what I got going on. See, I got animals here, and I got it's another area here I gotta put grease in also. So they gotta go from the bottom and do that one. But right here, I'm gonna grease the animals right here, and then you're gonna have it coming out the side right here. Show them right here. See how the grease come out of there? Got grease coming out. They let you know it's full. It's full.
I'm about to do it.
I know how to do it, huh? Got all kind of animals on this thing. You gotta, I gotta make sure I get all of them. Because sometimes to get, where they is, you gotta kind of figure it out. But it's been a year since I've been breeding, so I gotta get my knowledge back up. Got some here, got some here. Well, yeah, so sometimes you have to climb, sometimes you have to crawl, sometimes you have to walk, talk, jump, run. Now, Dexter do it all, man. I be all on top of wheels and all. Look, yeah, I'm looking for animals here, animals there. I see a belt I gotta change, so I'm gonna take all that off, change that out. It lasted last year, so this year we're gonna take it on off. Other than that, I'm looking for animals. You might know what's on, man. You might can tell me where it's at, but you ain't trying to help me though. You just want to put the camera in my face. That's all. Y'all can hear me? Y'all probably can't hear me. Let me turn this thing off right here. Turn this off. Woo! Yeah, so as a reminder, September 16th and 17th, trail ride. Dexter doitall, first Davis annual horse ride. Yeah, first annual horse ride. So y'all come on down. Y'all, like I say, bring whatever you want to bring. You can bring a bird. If you want to ride it, ride it. I don't care what you ride. But just don't bring all that trash. Don't bring no drummer. That bring yourself and have fun. Bring your grandma and tell her to come out and have fun too. Tell her leave her teeth at the house, you have to. Good corn right there. Yeah, it's about ready to cut. Break it in half. Look at that. Ooh, look how thick it is. Thick and round, kind of long. So yeah, look pretty good. Look pretty good. Got a couple sort of hills like that. But still doing pretty good. Let's see how much we got on the road right here. Count with me. All right. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I should have counted over here. I counted our way to the top, but I didn't. So I'm gonna start right here going around. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, let's see, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 rounds. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Country living.